Well, here we are back at the old stovepipe. I decided to do that off video because I had a little bit of issue. That is such a tight tolerance that it's kind of a Chinese puzzle. But anyway, I'm going to try to look down inside here so you can have a look at this. Let me jump off here. Oh, there we go, jumping. I'm not good at jumping anymore, but there you can see the damper down inside there. So I can get rid of some shadows. Being these shadows, I'll tell you. There's the old damper, and you can see you turn it. You get it like that, that is full flow right there. That'll let a lot of oxygen go through there. A lot of smoke. It'll draw out the old smoke and pull in some fresh oxygen. You turn it, boy, you can really throttle that thing. Very fine control. Notice that there are some holes in there, and that makes sure that you never shut your stove all the way down to zero. But overall, I will tell you, I made one mistake. When you have that kind of a drill there, you do have to be a little bit careful that you don't put it right up next to the sheet metal, because it made a little bit of a blast here, made a small dent, and so that was easy to fix. I just took a screwdriver, went in from the other side, put a little block of metal inside there, tap, tap, and that was done. No big deal. Now, somebody might say, oh my gosh, when a bullet goes through sheet metal, doesn't it leave some kind of a ragged edge? Yes, it does. It leaves a little bit of a ragged edge, and I do not care. This is going to be up in the overhead. No child will ever touch that. And over time, a little bit of heat, a little bit of lye soap from the smoke and the water mix is liable to eat that off anyway, so we're going to leave that alone. Did we hit dead center right and left on this side? Put it in the sunshine. Let's have a look. Let's see here. Okay, my eyes have very thick glasses. I know the pipe is leaning, but let's lean it up where it's vertical. And my eyes say good enough. And then on the other side, check this side, see if I'm dead center. And I say good enough. Here's the biggest test, really. Does your throttle, your damper, does it move smoothly? And when you stop, does it stay in place? See, it has a spring on there. That spring is what keeps the pressure on it. So when you set it, if you want it at 0 degrees, which means wide open throttle, all ahead flank, that's it right there. Then you can dial it back, give it 45 degree, that'd slow it down some. Then you get over here to 90, and that's gonna really slow it down. It'll still let it burn. You could still have your bottom vent wide open and this one shut. You'll still get some airflow. That might be the perfect setting for 250 degrees or 225 degrees, low and slow with a good load of wood. So next will be the testing phase and see how she does. I'm gonna go install it now, and I'll see you back at the cook shack. Thanks for watching, and give a little tap on that subscribe. Thank you very much. Over and out for now.